Adrian Jenkinson, the inventor of the WaveStone. Like most of you, I've been unable to work at this time. Prior to the lockdown, did your hands hurt at the end of a hard day? Hopefully when we return to work, we'll all be rushed off our feet. Have you given any thought as to how you'll protect your fingers, hands and wrists when you do return to work? Why not sign up for our WaveStone Web Workshop? This short course will give you an insight into the benefits of using the WaveStone for both you and your clients. When you sign up for a WaveStone Workshop, you'll be sent a set of WaveStones that you'll need. You'll be allocated one of our instructors that's closest to you, and they will take you through the workshop at an agreed time in a Zoom meeting. The cost of the workshop is £150, which includes a set of 2 WaveStones, which is normally retailed at £120. We're including in this offer a pot of our WaveStone balm, which is vegan friendly, a WaveStone hand towel and a pen. You'll also get a £30 reduction off the full WaveStone course when we're allowed to do them. Further details will be given after this here on Facebook. Stay safe and take care.